Trying to get you a better angle here. Hopefully when it's all said and done, I know how to cut it all together, because I am not a genius with videos. That's your Hall effect connection. I make sure it gets out of the way of the brake fluid that's gonna come out of here. Let's see if I can get that out of there. There's a mount really low on that wire. If I get that mount off, I get that wire up here. It's the plastic press fit on a stud. If you don't have a pick set, you should get a pick set. A good couple of pick sets actually, because they're handy. Not that this is working out well, but hopefully it will. The right angle. Shit can't be easy. This job probably cost somebody $2 grand or so, because somebody's got a fucking dick with it. Douchebag, come on, motherfucker. Oh, I got that to pop off of there. That's good. There's a feed line. I'm sure that'll be in my way the whole time. Holy shit. Alright, big giant pliers with wind. That'll help. So I twist this down. So pull this pin. It does not need to come all the way off. You are going to get some brake fluid. Just fine. No one sees down here. Just have some brake cleaner handy for later when you can put everything back together. And then you can just spray it down. Yeah, you don't want to go in there now. You don't stay, huh? Just get in the way, but nothing else I can wrap this. Wrap it into this, just in case it wants to leak. So braided line, that's going to help with performance. I mean, hopefully that's why you're in here. For one thing, that shows you how to get to your delay valve, which your delay valve will sit right here. So I did this while I had my motor out because it's so much easier. I could stand here, this firewall's gone. You could literally get in here. I got my hard line out. So most people will go, there's a drain grommet there. Let me see if I can get you in there. Oh, bastard. So under that grommet right there, that's a good opening to get underneath the car. So that's a a drain for up here when water gets in. Because otherwise, if you try to do the factory, you'll never get your hard line out this way with the engine in, and you'll never be able to route your other line in the factory locations, which is basically a couple of clips down to the transmission. But that's a good option there. It just comes out and then drops straight through there. So that's going to be your best bet. Just leave your hard line in place, or snip it and pull from both ends. So just stand back up here. Hopefully as I go, I'll get better equipment, because this is not quality. I hope you can see still see what I'm doing down here. All right, so I have everything disconnected from my, this far right here, this over here too. This wire just wants to be a bitch. Get possible there. Oh, all right, you fucker. I hate when shit's just in your way. It just makes for a fucking nightmare. So I'm gonna see if I can twist this by hand. I don't know what direction. Sure what direction to twist that. Let's try this way. I certainly hope I have enough room to get it out. Alright, I'm going to go underneath the dash and see what it is. Figure out which way. So you can turn it either direction. Work up these. I have a new one, so I can fuck this one up. Doesn't seem to be the sauce there. Yeah, there she is, nice and bent. That's what a 300-pound foot will do. You see this? Oh, you're way too close. Anyway, yeah, she bent to shit. Out of here, go up to the wood. All right, so factory. Factory and bent. Which is not cool. So yeah. So what I did, I went inside the cabin, grabbed the pliers, twisted this. You can twist it either direction. See the teeth on it? And when it goes in there, these just slide in, and then you'll ultimately twist it to lock it in. So just remember your orientation. This is on top when it's in the car. Here's your new sensor. And then your port. Yeah, I know. I need a GoPro or something with a good clamp. So I can put my videos anywhere. All right, let's see what happens. Let's try to put this back in there. Get the covers off. So I'm gonna stop you.